Puori is a supplement company that makes supplements designed to help support your daily nutrition using the cleanest ingredients that they can get their hands on. They have a wide variety of products, all of which are designed to help round out your nutrition so you can stay healthy and stay fit. Be at your fittest, so you can fit great into a healthy lifestyle. Quality and transparency is wildly important to them. And with their clean label project, they work to make sure that all of their products are clean. They use third-party testing on all of their product batches, not just each individual product, but the batches of each product. So they still have that consistency and for added accountability. They actually have a QR code on their product so you can actually see their findings and see a little bit more about the Clean Label project and how their products really stand out. They actually test for over 100 harmful pesticides, heavy metals, and other toxins to make sure that you're not putting some terrible things in your body. You take supplements to get healthier, not make it more toxic. And of course, they want to make sure that they're delivering the safest, highest quality product as possible. It all comes back to transparency and accountability. It's pretty great. Not a lot of people realize this, but cheaper supplements do not have this level of testing. They just kind of throw things together and that's that. Today we're going to be checking out Puori's P3 Health Essentials. Little easy pouches. Grab and go. Puori's P3 Health Essentials is a combination of their most popular and arguably some of the most important nutrients that you need. And that, to be honest, most people are a little deficient in. Don't want to judge. People make it hard not to. So that's not on me. Purori put together their P3 Health Essentials to help you round out your nutrition without you having to really think too hard about it. You get all the essentials that you would likely regularly take and that are most common for people to take on a daily basis, but they have it in a really simple subscription form. So you just kind of click it, you know you're getting it, and you're good to go. It's way easier to stay on top of a routine. There are 3 essential supplements in their Health Essentials: omega-3s, vitamin D3, and a magnesium complex. Plus it comes in a 30-day supply so you can kind of easily track where you're at. One of the greatest things about Puori's P3 Health Essentials is just how convenient its subscription is. There's a lot of flexibility so you can pause it or cancel at any time. You get 10% off P3 Health Essentials every month, and you'll never run out. You don't even have to think about it. These are daily supplements. Chances are you're going to be taking them every day. So, you don't have to think about it, go to the store. It just shows up when you're ready for it. Plus you can get a bunch of exclusive deals that only subscribers can get. So if you're a big supplement person, then this is pretty much it. This is the pinnacle here. Obviously, on top of Puori's P3 Health Essentials, you can get each individual supplement in their Health Essentials individually if you just want the one. But they also have a ton of other great products. If you're trying to fill in the gaps that you're not necessarily getting through your diet, it's a great option. They also have their PW1 Protein. This is their vanilla bourbon protein. This protein ranked #1 in Clean Label Project's test of 133 different protein powders. #1 out of 133 protein powders. That's it. That doesn't say anything for you. I don't know what else will. If you do want to find out more information about their products, P3 or PW1 protein powder, head to their website. They have way more information than I can actually divulge in this video. There are links below in the description directly to these products so you can find out more. That's it for our spotlight of Puori's P3 Health Essentials and their PW1 Vanilla Bourbon Protein. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to leave a comment below letting us know what you thought of this video. Leave us a like, subscribe, do all the things. Bell notification, that's an important one. That's it for now. Stay tuned for another Ready Yeti Spotlight coming at you next week.